Hi, good morning children. This is the activity book continuation children, page number 19. Look here. Form the biggest and smallest numbers by using these digits. Here are some digits children. You have to form biggest and smallest numbers. Look here. 2, 7, 5, 9 is given. By using this, you will form the biggest digit. Biggest means small to big. Arrange the digits small to big. So which is the smallest one here? Is it correct? Biggest number means big to small. So what is the biggest digit here? 9. After 7. After 5. After 2. This is the biggest number, 9752. And make smallest number. The reverse order for this is smallest number. 2, 5, 7, 9. Next one. 1, 8, 3, 0. Using these 4 digits, you will make the biggest number. So which is the biggest digit here? 8. After 3. After 1, after 0. Smallest number. If there is a 0 in the digits, when you are making a smallest number, use this digit in the second place from the left side children. So 0. Which is the smallest one next to small? 1. So it will comes in the first place. Next 3. Next 8. 1038. Next 0, 4, 3, 5. Which is the biggest digit? 5. 5, 4, 3, 0. So 5430 is the biggest number. Next make smallest number. Here also 0 is given. So after this, which is the smallest one? 3. First write that digit, after write 0. After 4, 5, 3045. Next 7564. Which is the biggest one? 7. After 6. After 5. After 4. 7654. Smallest one? 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 6402. Which is the biggest digit? 6. Next 4. Next 2. Next 0. 6420. Smallest one. Here also 0 is given. So what is the next smallest one? 2. After write 0. Next one 4. Next 6. 2046. Last one 4798. 9 is the biggest digit. 8, 7, 4. 9874. Next 4, 7, 8, 9. 4789. Arrange the numbers. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Descending order means biggest to smallest. So here are numbers children. You have to make ascending order and descending order. Which is the smallest one in these 4 numbers? 5804, 4805, 4085, 5084. Which one is the smaller? 4085. 4085. Next number 4805. Next 5084. Next 5804. The reverse order for these numbers is descending order. Write the numbers in reverse. First 5804, 5084, 4805, 4085. 5084, 4805. Last one 4085. Next one 9396, 6936, 3969, 3690. Which is the smallest one? This is the biggest one. 6 also big. Here 3 in thousands place. These two are the smallest one. Among these two, check the hundreds place digit. 96. Which is the smallest one? 6. So 3699 will come first. Next 3969. Next 96. Which is the smallest one? 6. 6936. Next 9396. Write the numbers in reverse order. 9396, 6936, 9396, 6936, 3969, 3699. Next one 2424, 8424, 4424, 1424. Which is the smallest one? 1424. Next 2424. Next 4424. Last one 8420. Write the numbers in reverse order, then you will get the descending order. 8424, 4424, 2424, 1420. Next 1368, 3681, 8163, 6138, 8630. Which is the smallest one? 1000 is the smallest one. 1368. Next 3000, 3681. Next 6000, 6130. The remaining two numbers are 8000s. Then check hundreds place. 16. Which is the smallest one? 1. So 8163. Last 8613. Then write the reverse order. 8613, 8163, 6138, 3618, sorry 81, 1368. Last one 8011, 8101, 8001, 8010. Which is the smallest one? 8001. Next 8011, 8010. Which is the smallest one? 8010. Next 8011. Last one 8101. Reverse. 8101, 8011, 8010, 8001. This is ascending and descending order, children. Some more children are there in your activity book. Those do yourself. Look into your activity book, page number 21, children. Jimmy and Simmy are two squirrels. They like to eat mangoes. Jimmy prefers to eat mangoes from even numbered baskets, whereas Simmy likes to eat mangoes from odd numbered baskets. Separate the baskets and give them to Jimmy and Simmy according to their interest. Look, children, Jimmy wants to eat mangoes, those are even basket mangoes. Simmy wants to eat odd numbered baskets. Here are the numbers, children. Separate them even and odd. How to check even number or odd number? Check their ones place, children. If there is any number 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, those are called even numbers. If any number have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in their ones place, those numbers are odd numbers. So check their ones place, children. 2. 2 is even or odd? Even number. 8. Even number. So total number 48 is even. 3. Odd number. So odd number basket mangoes eat Simmy. So write there. 5. 5 also odd number. 75. 0. 0 is even or odd? Even. So total 40 is even number. 6. Even. 36 is even. Again 0. Even. 60. Even. 1. 1 is odd number. So total 81 is odd number. 2. 2 is even. So 92 is even number. 9. 9 is odd. So total 59 is odd number. And some more big numbers are here, children. You should separate them even and odd. Here also check only ones place only. 5612. What is the ones place digit here? 2. 2 is even number, so the total number is even. 5612. Next, 3. 3 is odd number, so total 9813 is odd number. 4. 4 is odd number, so 7008 even number. 7854 is even number. 9. Odd number. 6589 odd number. 5. Odd number. 2145. 8. Even number. 3658. 6. Even number. 5126. 5. Odd number. 9575 odd number. 2. Even number. 6782 even number. 7. Odd number. 4757 odd number. 0. Even number. 3650 even number. 1. Odd number. 5011 odd number. 6. Even number. 7546 even number. 9. Odd number. 4379 odd number. Okay, write like this in your book also, children. Up to here activity book is completed, children.